Hey, welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get 50% discount for Vidiq plan. You know, Vidiq is a YouTube SEO tools you can use right now. So this link I will attach in description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. You need to click this one, this icon upgrade. Just click on upgrade, then choose a plan. So I highly recommend you, if you are a single person, choose subscribe to free, because pro is the ideal for you. Now add to promo code. Just go to add to promo code, then type KALAM. Just type on kalam, then click on apply. Wow, you can see 50% off for 2 months. Your dollar are $5 only. Now add your card and subscribe and pay. So this is amazing, right? So if you want to more video to type up, please subscribe the channel and turn on notification bell. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.